What's happening, guys? If you wear glasses like I do and have for over 40 years, something that is annoying when you wear glasses is let's say you've got your glasses on, and you just barely tilt your head or whatever, and they start just drooping down your nose, and you're constantly having to do this. They go sliding down again. Now, if your glasses are the wrong fit and size for your face, for your nose, for your ears, whatever, that's a possibility. You may need to get that addressed first. But if your glasses fit your face nicely, you like how they feel, they don't sit like this too low all the time. So, if they fit perfectly already, a quick little thing you can do, maybe once or twice a day, get you some of these little alcohol swabs. You can get these on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. They're really inexpensive. So you just tear this open, and there's a little bitty alcohol wipe in there. It's very small. And then, and you will take this little swab and just wipe where the glasses sit on your nose. Just do a little wiping. You're basically getting rid of oil. Now, if you if you wash your face daily, multiple times a day, that's also a good way to do it. But if you just need something quick, just swab this off real quick, right in this area and in this area here. Then do the same thing to the glasses themselves, where they sit on your face. Right in here, just wipe it off. Then maybe around this area right here, because you'll see that's where oil accumulates a lot. Right in there. Let it dry, and what you'll notice is your glasses stay on your face much better. They just sit there. They don't slide, they don't move. They stay put, especially if you have your head pointing down a lot, maybe for your job or whatever. Alcohol swab is an easy ticket to hold your glasses in place. And there they are. Check out our channel. We got hundreds of other videos, working around the house, working on your golf cart, your motorcycle, your dirt bike, your ATV, your Harley, your hot rod, your scooter, appliances, all kinds of videos. And if you have other ideas on how to do this without putting a chain around the rear, that is, if you're just trying to do it naturally, post your ideas down below, and I'll put a link down below for these alcohol swabs. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.